Hi, this is Manjot from Lens Passions Photography. Come with image redefined with Photoshop and Lightroom tutorial. Opening image in Camera Raw in Photoshop, correcting white balance set to custom. I always shoot in RAW because with the RAW image, all of the data for the image is saved. So you can make all of the adjustment in Camera Raw filter. Before going further, kindly subscribe my channel and click on the bell. Correcting camera lens correction for these apparent distortions and aberrations using the lens corrections tab of the Camera Raw dialog box. Using my favorite adjustment DH to rescue images be set by fog and haze in atmosphere. Adjusting highlight slider, move to left and opening shadows by adjusting shadow slider. Little adjusting contrast, vibrance, saturation according to need. Now open image in Photoshop. I want some cool and romantic effect in this image. So I created a duplicate layer by Ctrl J in Windows and Command J in Mac. I did mistake, I did not clean the lens filter, so I need spot healing tool to remove spots. Now I am cleaning these spots with most choosing tool in Photoshop. I always recommend you don't forget to clean your filter or lens before shooting pictures. Now I am using content aware move tool to move objects. Selecting both and move it to back because it disturbing the scene. Adjusting size according to distance. Then removing unwanted boards by using spot healing tool. So our focus should be on landscape, not on unwanted objects. One more unwanted object in image I want to remove, and this is tower. I selected lasso tools and selecting tower. After selection, click on right mouse button, select fill, content aware and tower gone. If you want to know more about content aware, I added card above and also added link in description. Now I want to change watercolor to blue to look picture more cool as I required. So I am creating new hue and saturation layer. Pick watercolor and try to change color with hue slider but did not get desired results. So I decided to select colorize option, adjusting hue slider and getting blue color. By doing so, all image turning to same color. But I need to change only watercolor. So I inverted mask white to black by using Ctrl plus I in Windows and Command plus I in Mac. So by using black mask, all adjustments are invisible. Note that in black hide all and white mask reveal all. So I need to use white brush to reveal lake. So I painting on lake only. By using X, we can toggle black to white or white to black. Again, black hide and white reveal. Now I am painting all on lake. We can increase or reduce the brush size with the right and left brackets. I painted boats too. No issue. I am hiding by using black brush by clicking X key. Now zoom out and see the effect. Now lake is blue, adjusting hue and saturation again. It look more realistic, so I am reducing master opacity so water gives shade of blue. Now I am adding some clouds by selecting cloud brushes that I already downloaded from internet. Adding some clouds in the sky look more dramatic. Always create any brush effect in new layer so we can adjust any type of adjustment or specific effect. Save image in Photoshop and it open automatically in Lightroom with all adjustments. Making small adjustments in the Lightroom. Selecting radial brush in Lightroom and invert to inside. If we keep outside, all image will be affected. With the radial filter tool, you can make local adjustment with elliptical mask You can use the radial filter tool to draw an elliptical area around the subject and choose to reduce the exposure, saturation and sharpness of the portion outside the selected mask. I am adding here to add some lighting effect, increasing little exposure, adding another to give a more dramatic look in image. I am selecting an adjustment brush and adjust clarity slider to reduce clarity of a water to look calm. And now painting on water. I will recommend to use if you use ND filter while shooting. You will get better results by reducing more f-stops in bright sunlight in slow shutter speed. I have to reduce clarity of a water to look calm because I didn't use ND filter here. Filter like polarizer and ND filters are a great asset in landscape photography. The another option is using Lightroom or camera raw filters. Selecting masks to see the area that I left while painting. Very careful while painting near the boards because by painting on it, it loses its clarity. If accidentally I paint on it, I can erase on it by Alt key in Windows and Option key on Mac. See before and after. Now I am again editing in Photoshop. Here is the three options: edit original, edit copy and edit a copy with a Lightroom adjustment. So I applied filters on Lightroom. So I am selecting edit with Lightroom adjustment. Image opening in Photoshop, it takes time. As long as the image does not open, please click on the subscription button and click on the bell. So you will be notified when I will upload new video. Now it is opening in Photoshop. I am creating new curve adjustment layer and select auto option to enhance more contrast. After the creating a new layer and painting white paint by selecting a hard brush, now I am painting a yellow above white. Converted this layer to convert small objects. I always recommend to convert layer to smart object so you can change adjustment anytime. Then select filter, Gaussian blur, select radius 110 pixels is OK for me. Adjusting the size of the object by using transform tool by using Ctrl+T in Windows and Command+T in Mac. Duplicate this layer to create reflection in the water. Flip it horizontally by using transform tool and moving layer to water. Then creating a new layer and using a gradient tool to make reflection more realistic and reducing master opacity to 58. Now saving the image and it is opening in Lightroom again. Creating the little adjustments again in Lightroom. After adjustment, I am cropping this image to 60:9 ratio. Look cinematic. This was the image before and this is a new image. See before and after. The original image was dull and busy. By applying filters and adjustment, it took cool, romantic and peaceful. That I want to present and in my imagination. If I keep all boards here, it looked busy. So I just keep 2 boards to preserve the peaceful environment. Now that's all for today. Don't forget to comment and also don't forget to give ideas. So I create those videos that you want to watch. Thanks for watching.